Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to start Conmebol Libertadores tournament. In the beginning, let's go to game settings. Go to tournaments. And now select Conmebol Libertadores. Here we've got teams. We can replace them. And we can select which teams should be in the tournament. Advance. Name your tournament and it's done. Now simply select Matchday to start tournament. Before, you can even set up tactics. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.